If you want to enhance your security by removing all devices from your Outlook account, follow these simple steps to ensure that only your current devices have access. Step 1. Sign into your Outlook account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access security settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to devices. In the account settings menu, look for the security tab. Click on it and then find the section labeled Manage Devices or Your Devices to see a list of devices connected to your account. Step 4. Identify old devices. Review the list of devices displayed. Identify any devices that you no longer use or recognize and wish to remove from your account. Step 5. Remove all devices. Next to each device, there should be an option to remove or sign out. Click this option for each old device you want to disconnect from your Outlook account. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and secure your Outlook account by removing access from outdated devices. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to keep your information safe.